How to choose a truly effective cooling mattress? The answer is that both the fabric and the cooling materials added to the internal structure are indispensable. Today, let's take a look at whether the SweetNight CoolNest mattress truly meets the standards of a cooling mattress. It is made using 3D knitting technology, featuring over 10,000 microventilation holes that enhance breathability, thereby enabling faster heat dissipation and moisture absorption to keep the entire sleep dry. Added with PCM Phase Change Material, it dynamically absorbs and releases heat to intelligently balance body temperature perception, adjust automatically with temperature changes, quickly dissipate excess heat, and maintain a cool, comfortable sleeping environment. The Gel-Infused Memory Foam delivers ultimate pressure relief and body contouring, while the Perforated Design further enhances the heat dissipation performance of traditional memory foam. Therefore, a truly cooling mattress does not rely solely on the surface fabric, but on the joint operation of its internal structure.